That's a fully mature, more bushcraft stainless. It's actually quite rare in these parts. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Whoa. Alright guys, so the Mora, it just took this defensive posture. It's raising its tip up into the air, letting any would-be predators know that it is sharp and dangerous, and it is not the one to mess with. Let's see if I can distract him, get around the back, get a closer look for you guys. There you go. Oh, he's a strong one. All right, guys. We're just gonna borrow this little guy for a quick YouTube vid. All right, let's do it.
What's going on, guys? It's OT, the Lord of Knives, and welcome back to another episode of Knife Chat, where we don't just talk about one knife, we talk about a whole bunch of knives. Today we're going to be asking the question, is one survival knife better than the classic trio that all campers know and love?
Which is a folding saw, a hatchet or an axe, and a bushcraft knife.
So today, guys, this video is very special, not just because I'm mic'd up and not just because of you, camera 2, because I can finally thank you guys for helping me hit 1,000 views on my Gerber strong arm video. I know 1,000 views might not sound like a lot, but to a small-time YouTuber like me, it means a whole lot. It means the world. So thank you so much for all my viewers and subscribers. But yeah, let's get into these knives. All right, guys, this wood is about 2.5, 2 3/4 inches. We're gonna test the chopping capability of the survival knife versus the ease of use of the folding saw. Now that we got a little bit of logs, we're gonna do a splitting test and see what splits better, the axe or the survival knife. All right, axe test. Pretty not surprising. Alright, now let's try survival knife. I'm gonna try to let's attempt to do that with the survival knife. Let's see how strong it is. Holy! I did not expect that, guys. I did not expect that. This, guys, is not hardwood at all, but I did not expect that.
It's a good knife.
Let's try that again. It's a good knife. Wait a minute. If I could do this with the Mora, then this wood doesn't count. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this right now. That's actually a good knife, but just to make sure. Just to make sure. Holy jeez.
That's a good knife.
It's much less control, and because of that saber grind, it's just not digging deep into the wood like how the Schrade grind is with the Mora. But nonetheless, still getting her going. Not my best feather stick, but the more glides through with these.
What you got, people?
So guys, another common camp task is food prep, and let's see how the survival knife stacks up against the bushcrafting knife in the food prep. Just the wrists. Alright guys, bushcraft knife first on a sketchy surface. This is the sketchiest surface. Don't mind my knife skills with the food prep. All right. Oh my God. It's just crushing the onion. It's not even cutting it. Oh, there's a cut. Guys, unbiasedly, this knife is performing almost as good as the other blades in every task. For the forest. So guys, final thoughts on whether a survival knife can sub out the classic trio that we all know and love. In my personal opinion, I do enjoy carrying one knife over 3 specialized blades, simply because as I became a YouTuber, weight became more and more of a concern, and I know for many hikers out there, weight is a big concern for you, and if that is the case, I would definitely suggest having one knife that can do it all, because it just weighs less. If you are like car camping or like in a cottage or something, then I would suggest specializing your tools, and if you have enough weight in your pack, or if you have enough space in your pack, bring these. But if you don't, I'd highly suggest just having one knife. As you guys can see in the testing there, this knife performed just as well, if not better, than its counterparts here. And yeah, so if you guys like a classic trio, leave it in the comments down below. If you guys like to have a survival knife, leave it in the comments down below. I read all the comments. Just remember, folks, a knife a day keeps the doctor away. I'm OT, the Lord of Knives. Stay sharp.
All right, guys. Just gonna leave him right where I found him. Here you go, little guy. Thank you. All right, let's go see what else we can find.